Hey guys, thanks for joining me in the shop today. So I bought this corded router, trim router at Harbor Freight the other day because my two cordless trim routers, my Ryobi won't turn on, and my rigid with the little bitty battery just does not have enough power. So I haven't even turned this on, but the one thing I don't like is the plate. I need more support going around work pieces so that you don't wobble when you're routing. So today we're going to use the trace shaper, and we're going to make a new faceplate for this.
Not too bad for my first try, but the holes needed to be adjusted. I had to tweak those. I think overall I made 4 wooden versions. Go big or go home. I'm trying to make a larger faceplate. It worked out pretty well. This seems to work as the prototype. Now let's make one out of plexiglass. I put a piece on the back side and the front side of each door that prevents tear out and supports the piece. Works really well if you haven't tried it. So I really put this router plate to the test. I was very happy with it. Let me know what you think. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe.